they must make the treacherous journey. For the first to reach the forest floor, the last few cashew fruit provide some welcome sustenance. But there's not enough to go around. At nearly 40 degrees, the heat is relentless. Could the trees provide the solution? Hidden in some trunks, there is a little water left over from the last rains. Mammals, however, are experts at solving problems. A stick produces a dribble of success. Having watched all the others try, the mother finally gets her turn. Her tail acts like a sponge, soaking up any water that has collected in the trunk. It's a life-saving lesson, and one the rest of her family quickly learn.